So hey there and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to add a functional contact form to your Canva website using JotForm or Google Forms. So this is a great way to let visitors get in touch with you directly through your website. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in. But before we dive in, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the comment. Now, first of all, you have to go to canva.com, search for the canva.com on your PC, and if you're on your phone like iPhone or Android, you can search for the Canva official app on the App Store or Play Store. Now, let's see how you can edit your project. First of all, you have to open your Canva website project. So after you log into official homepage of Canva, at the search bar here you can search for website. Search for website right here, and you will see thousands of templates right here. You will find right here, but you can also create a blank website, like you can create your personal customized website template from here. So but for this video I'm going to choose a random one like this. Then you have to tap onto this, customize this template. So after clicking on this, you can see there are a lot of things you can edit here. Like you can scroll where you want to add the from. For example, bottom of the page here, you can add a new blank page right here, and you can add a heading like something like contact us. But for now I'm going to just I'm just going to customize this one. So go to text and tap on to add a text box, and okay, wait, let's delete this one. Let's tap on to add a heading, okay, because this is a little bit bigger and it will be easier for the customers to see this text. Now I'm gonna add something like contact us using text book. No, I'm just gonna type in contact us. So that's it. Now you have to place it at the right corner where you want to add. If you want it to the top side, you can tap into the top side. If you want it to the bottom, then keep it in the bottom. For me, I like it at the right bottom side. Now you have to create your form on JotForm, or you can use this website called JotForm. This also you can use Google Forms. As I am assuming most of you can use Google Forms, so go with the Google Forms. If you want, you can also continue with this one, JotForm. You just have to tap on to sign up with Google, then and log in using your Google account. Now you can create a free account here. Now you have to choose a template you want to use. For example, I'm just going to choose the first one, like use template. You can also start from scratch if you want. Now you have to customize all the informations here. You can delete or tap on the properties, and you can edit its label like this. As you can see here, you can edit them, but I'm not going to save this because the basic one is perfect for me. You can tap on to label this one to left, right, top. You can also tap on to it is must be required on or off. For me, I'm just gonna tap it to on. You can enter your first name, last name if you want here. I'm not gonna save it, so I'm gonna cancel it. Now you can enter your address, your street address, like whatever you want to add. Now you can tap on the properties, and from there you can tap on to options. You can choose many things. If you want to add country also, you can just check this icon, and country will be added. You can also use some random countries here, like country Angola or any other, but for me I'm just going to turn it off. And you can also add text box from here. You can, if you want, like basic text box or American states like this, okay. Now on the advanced option you will find more options like this. You can also add a hover text here if you want. Okay, but for me I'm just not interested in the hover text one. Now if you want, you can shrink the text, you can hide field, etc. Now after customizing all the things, we can simply tap on to submit. And now if you want to add something extra, you can tap onto this at the top left corner. You can see this option called add elements. Tap onto it and if you can add heading, full name, email addresses, phone, data picker, etc. You can see, you can play around with them and choose the options you want to add. And now you can go to the payment option and choose like which type of payment you want. For example, I'm going to tap on the Stripe and that's it. If you want to add payment options, you can do it from here. So this is pretty much it. Now let's preview it. Okay, before previewing it, you can also check out the widgets here. Okay, there are multiple widgets you can add. Now let's preview the form. Now here you can see this form will look something like this. Now you have to tap on to create your own short form, and from there you can create your own form, like create labels from etc. You can do it. So this is how you can do it. Now you can go to Google Forms also. Let me show you. Search for Google Forms. Okay, Google Forms. Let me search for this one. Log into Google Forms. And from there, okay, I'm going to choose a default one here. You can also create your own contact form. Now from there you can tap on to publish, then you can just select who can see your profile, your form. Now you have to choose anyone with the link and then that's it. Now tap on to publish. And from here you can tap on to embed.html if you want. You can also add copy the link of here. You can see, you can copy the link. Now you have to go to Canva, and from there you will find an option called, okay, just go to elements and search for link. Now from there, okay, let me find the option. You can address your public website link to here. Now you have to search for embed element like this. Okay, let me try this. Embed elements. Now you have to choose one. Like tap onto that icon. Here you can see I just paste my link here, and as I pasted my link here, now you have to add a image here. Now whenever someone will click on this image, they will be redirected to the contact us site. And also if you want to add link to your text, just tap onto this, and from there you can right click on the text and you can see this link option, tap onto it, and from there paste your link and then tap done. And now whenever someone will tap on this text called contact us, they will be redirected to the site. So that is pretty much it. This is how you can add contact us form to Canva website. Now let me show you how you can add this to your website. Now tap on the share, and here you can see this website link. Now add this text called website URL. After this you have to paste your website link. Paste your website link and then tap publish, and you are good to go. That's it. This is how you can do it. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.